Hey, Homo sapiens. Fancy alarm, you know what that means. Isn't this a pleasant tea party? Mr. Pretty Pants, would you like a... You're not welcome. Nobody cares about you. Why are you so mean to RSA? Go to hell. You suck! Go to hell. Shut your dirty little whore mouth! You're a whore? No, you're a whore. I am not a whore. I didn't know my best friend was a whore. Hey! Stop with your dirty slut mouth. You want some? You male prostitute? I don't even know how hard you. Smelly little bum! You strike my teeth. You dirty little... Ah, you hooker! What? You hooker! Well, where you going now, wuss? Huh? Where you going? Huh? 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 Huh, faggot? Oh, you're cool. You're so cool. Wanna go to the hospital? Oh. Well, now there wasn't a hospital.
Turn your attention to the monitor. Prepare your mind.
My name is Mr. Pussy Pants! Head. Fine. God, someone's got roid rage. You know, we should call you Mr. Pissy Pants. Oh. Fine. Then I'm leaving. I'll just have the vet pull the thing on my face if I have to. Please don't go! Don't leave. You okay, bro? Yeah. Damn it. I got just a little bit of a boo-boo from that. I was much playing, so... Toast break!
My God. A fridge filled with awesome snacks. Why doesn't everyone live here all the time?
A butterscotch!
Get back in the basement!